Sweetening the pot, making offers irresistible. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, to sweeten the pot. This is a popular expression used in various contexts, and understanding it can add a flavorful twist to your English conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the sweetness hidden in this expression. To sweeten the pot is an idiom that originates from the world of gambling, specifically poker. In poker, the pot refers to the total amount of money that players bet in a hand. To sweeten the pot means to add more money to it, making the potential reward more attractive to the players. However, outside of poker, this phrase has taken on a broader meaning. It's now commonly used to describe any action taken to improve an offer or deal to make it more appealing. This can apply to business negotiations, sales, promotions, and even personal favors or requests. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In business, a company might sweeten the pot for a potential employee by offering additional benefits, like a signing bonus or extra vacation days, to make the job offer more attractive. 2. In sales and promotions, a retailer might sweeten the pot for customers by adding a free gift with their purchase to encourage more sales. 3. In personal contexts, if you're trying to convince a friend to join you on a trip, you might sweeten the pot by offering to cover the cost of gas. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be used in various situations to describe efforts to make an offer hard to refuse. When using the phrase, to sweeten the pot, it's important to understand the context. This phrase is best used in situations where an offer or deal is being improved upon to make it more enticing. Be clear about what's being offered. When sweetening the pot, make sure the additional offer is clearly stated and genuinely adds value to the original proposal. Use it to enhance persuasion. This phrase is a powerful tool in negotiation and persuasion, helping to convey the idea of adding value to make an agreement more favorable. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, to sweeten the pot. Whether you're negotiating a business deal, making a sales offer, or just trying to convince your friends to join you for an adventure, remembering this idiom can help you communicate more effectively and persuasively. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language in our future videos. Happy learning!